I think anybody can say and admit that this release definitely kind of woke everybody up. Now you should know, man. It's back to that like 2014 through 2016 era where you have to put in your footwork, where you have to put in raffles mainly, go around, and then you seen yesterday there were a couple of spots in Chicago that are doing first come, first serve. Who would have thought that we'd be doing first come, first serve in 2025? Everything is different, so you gotta, change the way you try to cop sneakers. But man, this release is definitely probably going to get talked about for the rest of the year because it's kind of shaping these future releases like the Bread High 85s, the Air Jordan 4 White Cements, the Gamma 11s, the Taxi 12s. There's so many bangers coming out, and just expect the same type of treatment that these Metallic 5s got for these other OG colorways, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping in to today's video, man. It's always greatly appreciate when you guys come see what your boy Da Vinci is talking about. And you guys, I told y'all, if we get the last video up to 500 likes today, we'll be doing a full on feed over these Black Metallic guys, man. But if you guys are new here to the channel right now, I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and please run the likes up. Every single like counts, and it shows YouTube you guys are ultimately enjoying the content. So y'all do those great things for your boy. And again, bro, the content's gonna keep rolling. We got some more dope stuff to talk about. We got some more early reviews. We got some whole bunch of different everything. So make sure you tapped in and tapped around by hitting notification bell. So we already kind of did an early review on these things, breaking them down, kind of showing you guys the different aspects of these Black Metallics, and we didn't even did a comparison. So go check out the last couple of videos we did talk about these Black Metallics. You will see all that type of stuff, comparisons, reviews, talking about the different, materials, the different linings, the different everything when it comes to these joints. So I'm not gonna sit here and waste y'all time, but I did wanna kind of talk about this release. I had so many comments in yesterday's video that I'm still responding to them as we speak. As y'all watch this, I'm responding to yesterday's comments, but it's just crazy how this release kind of went how it did. I did not expect it to be this crazy, you know what I'm saying? I didn't think it'd be this crazy, but I thought it would be one of those, sneakers that still get a little buzz around the shoe, but I didn't think people were gonna be fighting for them. I didn't think it's gonna be chaos surrounding the shoe, and that's exactly what happened with these. And I think that all contributed to, Nike only doing like 40-some thousand pairs on the sneakers app. They only dropped like 40,000 pairs. So they sold out instantly, and that resulted people going to the malls, seeing if they can grab pairs and stuff like that. You already know, man, it was backdoor city in most of those major cities that you guys see, probably like Chicago, Atlanta, different huge cities like that. And bro, they were backdooring pairs. People were mad. People were fighting employees fighting other folks. It just got completely out of hand. But again, bruh, you guys can go ahead and drop your full thoughts and opinions over the release. Is this something that we're gonna see with the white cement Air Jordan 4s, the Taxi 12s, the Gammas? I could definitely see that happening. I don't want it to happen, but we can kind of assume a couple different things, especially if Nike is only dropping a limited supply on the sneakers app. Like that just kind of gives that first initial mood of the day because they drop at 10. So before the malls open, that's before the stores open. And then people are already mad about taking L on sneakers, and they're taking that aggression to these stores. And yeah, one thing's gonna lead to another, which is sad. We shouldn't have none of that in the community, especially given the fact that last year we had a whole bunch of dope sneakers that people called bricks, called trash. And then coming into the year, people said all these shoes are gonna sit. Nobody gonna be buying them. And now y'all see, bro, Nike is cutting back on stock, and you gotta put your footwork in. It's different, man. It's definitely a different day and age when it comes to the sneaker community. So make sure you adjust accordingly, man. I kind of sensed the release was gonna go like that, you know what I'm saying? Just given the fact that the Air Jordan 3 Black Cats kind of had that amount of buzz and hype behind these, I say, yo, the Black Metallics is definitely going to be up there on the radar and grab some hype, grab some attention. And it's just crazy to think that these Black Metallic 5s is technically a GR, and people saying this is probably one of the best reimagined, and they're already going for almost $300 in every single size. Like those size 11.5 and up already going for like $350 plus. It's just crazy. I did not expect that to happen, but again, with less stock, with less pairs out there in the community, people are going to be up in the charge, and the resellers and opportunists are going to be like, hey man, give me that money, run me that money, then you can get your pair. And it's just back to that 2016, 2015 day and age where it was almost impossible to grab some of these classic releases. But We didn't see this with the 2016 metallics. I think they were relatively easy to get. The resale was like non-existent, and then you get the little white piping and the 3M Nike on the back, and then people going crazy, jumping out the gym trying to grab these things, man. But quick little wrap up of the release. Go ahead and drop your comments down below. But today's video primary focus was to throw these things on feet. So you guys go ahead and check out the full on feet. Throw a couple different pants in on these joints, show you guys how I lace them and stuff like that. Probably gonna go down as top 5 of the year, maybe even top 3. We shall see. But you gotta think, we got Taxi Steel, we got White Cements, Gammas, Ferraris. We got some bangers on the way, man. But I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Quick little talking portion before we throw these on feet. But I love y'all, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.